How to share Shein Wishlist on app. If you want to share your Shein wishlist on the Shein application, then simply follow these quick steps. Open up your Shein application and make sure that you are logged into your account. To access your wishlist, you can tap on the heart icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage. This will then open up the items that you've added on your wishlist. Now, if you go ahead and select a product in your wish list and try to share it to someone, then you won't be able to do it inside the items list on wish list. Now you can simply go ahead and add these products on your board so that you can share it to someone else. In order to do that, tap on those three lines at the top right hand corner and select all of your products, and then tap on Add to Board at the bottom right. Now, you can add this list into an existing board or simply tap on the Create a New Board option, enter the name for your board, and then tap on the Create Board button. Now, after you've added the product on your board, you can go back and open up the Boards tab at the top right. You'll be able to see that you can share your boards with your friends. Go ahead and tap on the share icon on the right corner and select anyone's social networks from where you want to share the wish list. You can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, via SMS, or any other social networks. Go ahead and select any one platform. Here I've selected WhatsApp, and then tap on the Open button and select the contact you'd like to share your wish list to. Tap on Next at the bottom right, and an automated text will appear on your screen. Tap on Send at the top right, and then you'll be able to send or share Shein Wishlist using a Shein application. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.